Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing lesson 512, and we're going to be exploring properties of symmetric figures. So, when you're looking at these shapes, it shows one half of a letter. The dashed line is the line of symmetry. So, I'm thinking to myself, what's the line of symmetry? The line of symmetry is a line that cuts a shape exactly in half. This means that if you were to fold the shape along the line, both halves would match exactly. So, they would be alike because they are the same size and the same shape. So, on the other half of the line of symmetry is the mirror image of the existing pattern. Okay? So, let's go through and try to figure out what these are. Okay? So, if I'm looking here, I see that this line goes, on one, it goes all the way up to the third dot at the top, and then it goes and meets in the middle. I'm going to draw the exact opposite on the other side. So looking at this here, it looks to be the letter M. Okay, let's try the next one. So I see here the line of symmetry, it goes down, and then it goes out. What's that letter? Yes, it's a letter K. Right, so I see this one. My line goes straight down, and then it looks like that this little line goes about halfway. So I have the letter A. All right, 4. Looks to me like this little line goes down to this dot, and then the other line goes straight up to make the letter W. So if I were to fold all of these letters on that line of symmetry in the middle, they would match up and they would be the same. All right, let's go on to the next screen to see what we have. Okay, now we're going to do the symmetric shapes. So it looks like here my line goes all the way down to here, and then it connects right over here. So I know if I fold those over on that line of symmetry right there, it would be the same shape. Okay, let's go to the next one. So it looks like it goes 3 dots down and then 4 dots over. So I'm going to go 3 dots up. I'm going to go 3 dots up over here, and then I'm going to connect them. And there's the other half of that symmetric shape. All right. These look a little bit trickier, okay? Let's just take it one step at a time. So I see this first one at the top right here. It just slightly goes over. Oops. All right, looks like it goes over. And then it goes down to meet in the middle. And then I see that it goes all the way out to this very last one. And then I meet in the middle again. And then I just go out to this dot right here. And then I connect it in the middle. So the important thing to remember is that on the line of symmetry, it's exactly the same on both sides. Okay, let's try number 8. This one looks a little tricky. Okay, so I'm going to go up, up. Looks like it's going to meet in the middle again. Okay, and then looks like these lines cut through like this. And then it looks like I have lines that go all the way up on both sides, and then they meet at the middle at this point. All right. And like I said before, the important thing to remember while you're doing this is that the line of symmetry is the middle, and if you were to fold these over, they would match up exactly. Okay? Let's try our very last screen to see what problem we have. So, try this. The picture below shows 1/4 of a symmetric shape and 2 lines of symmetry. Draw the mirror image for each line of symmetry. Okay? So, I'm going to go all the way down to, looks like this line. Okay? And then I go all the way out to this line. Okay? Now we're going to go to this line. And then out to this line. Okay. Then I'm going to go over to this line. Down to this line. Okay. And so now when I fold this over, this has 2 lines of symmetry. Now, let's figure out what the 2 lines of symmetry are. So I could either fold it this way across this dotted line and it would match up, but then I could also fold it vertically and it would also line up. So this special shape has 2 lines of symmetry, so we were able to draw them. Okay? So to review, today we learned about lines of symmetry and then how to draw symmetric shapes. And the important thing to remember is that when you have a shape that is symmetric, you want it to be able to fold over and meet in the middle. Okay? Thank you all so much for learning with me today.